All right, if we're perpendicular to this line, then the slope will be the opposite reciprocal of 1/2. So the equation of our line, let's think in terms of the slope-intercept form, has a slope of -2. And we need to find the vertical intercept. To do that, we know that our line passes through 3, -4. So y is -4, and the x value is 3. So we have -4 is equal to -6 plus b. And when we add 6 to the right side, that will be gone. And when we add 6 to the left side, we'll have 2. So our final equation and there's our equation. This line is perpendicular to this line because the slopes are opposite reciprocals. And this line has a vertical intercept of 2 because we knew that it went through 3, -4. So when x was 3, y was -4, and that enabled us to find that b was 2. That's how you do this problem.